So I am back at Hershey. We're gonna go into Hershey Park, but we're going into Hershey Chocolate World first.
Coach the guy 101. See you in the park. Get those hands in the air. See you in the park. Coach the guy 101. See you in the park.
First ride of the day, let's go! Take us up!
It's the milk we make that's at the heart. Sweet inspiration from the very start. And you can taste the love all over the world.
I can't wait to show you around. Everybody, let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world.
Yeah.
Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans for you.
We're about to be roasted! Ooh, it's getting hot in here. Impressive.
Hey everyone! Bologna milling machines, which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction.
Which will use later on the
Milk
process.
and sugar. I'm not the only one recording.
Shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local
Hi!
That's manufactured for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and
Milk
distinctive
evaporator.
taste. Its goal is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the butter to milk.
The trials of simplicity of Hershey's authenticity go hand in hand.
The chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture. We feed each other through steam coolers that grind and kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi, everybody.
Hi,
These
Kiss.
coffee machines use thick granite rollers to smooth and transform refined chrome into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color.
Sounds about right. Dude, look.
The bars. Those are the bars. And these are the boxes.
Don't tell me all those are kisses over there, bro.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special dog box.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cup.
Chocolate syrup.
Look at all the kisses.
Alex, that's so sweet.
Special dark.
Privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love.
And it's sipping. I know you love this.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Chicago. Jolly Ranchers over there.
Yep. It's there. I would even show
Coast to Guy 101. See you in the park. Get those hands